Welcome to my in-depth review of HappyFox CRM, a customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses streamline their operations and improve customer interactions. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about HappyFox CRM, from its standout features to its overall usability and value for money. When you first visit the HappyFox CRM website, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that immediately showcases the product's capabilities. The homepage highlights key features such as automated workflows, multi-channel support, and powerful analytics. The navigation menu is straightforward, making it easy to explore the platform's functionalities. HappyFox CRM is built to cater to businesses of all sizes, whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise. One of the platform's major selling points is its seamless integration with popular tools like Slack, Zapier, and various email clients. This connectivity ensures that your team can collaborate efficiently and manage customer interactions without switching between multiple platforms. If you dive into the feature section, you'll find comprehensive details about automation options, including task assignments, follow-up reminders, and data synchronization. These tools are designed to save time and reduce manual work. Additionally, the analytics dashboard offers insightful data on customer interactions, team performance, and overall trends, giving you a clear understanding of where to focus your efforts. The pricing page is transparent, detailing multiple subscription plans based on team size and feature requirements. HappyFox CRM offers a free trial, which is a great way to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore more tools and guides that can help improve your business operations. Moving on to user experience, HappyFox CRM stands out for its simplicity and speed. Setting up your account and customizing the interface to suit your workflow is straightforward. The platform also provides robust customer support, including live chat and a detailed knowledge base, ensuring that any issues you encounter can be resolved quickly. One area where HappyFox CRM excels is in its ability to manage customer tickets efficiently. The ticketing system is highly customizable, allowing you to prioritize and categorize tasks according to your business needs. Whether you're tracking customer inquiries, resolving complaints, or monitoring sales leads, the system ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Overall, HappyFox CRM offers an excellent balance between functionality and ease of use. While it might not have as many advanced features as some enterprise-level CRMs, its focus on usability and integration makes it a strong contender for small and medium-sized businesses. Thank you for watching this review of HappyFox CRM. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews and tutorials. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you.